Hi friends, myself Manoj. Welcome to my YouTube blog Food Lover. Today we have came to Zaitun restaurant, one of the well-known restaurants in Doha. Today we are going to enjoy the meals and everything. I will tell you about it. Be with me, watch the video till the end. Like, watch and subscribe. And we're signing off. Bye bye.
So friends, now I have came inside this beautiful restaurant, and here is the counter. You can see staff are there, and you can see the giant display on the wall. It displays today's special food. This particular restaurant is very well designed. You can see the lighting, the interior setting and everything. I will show you the view from the upstairs. You can see this. It's very beautifully designed, well designed, and it's having separate space for the families. If you want to sit separately, these are the areas designed for the families, and for party and others you can have the big table. You can see the arrangements, the lighting, everything is very beautiful. So overall it's a very beautiful restaurant serving very good food, a must visit place. Now I will be going downstairs. Here when you come inside, the very first thing which catches your attention is pastry counter. It's rotating and beautiful pastries have been kept there. Straight away you can see the customers are sitting over there, but it's not allowed to take the video of customers. I just came to my table, and from here you can see the entire view, the lighting and everything. It's very colorful actually. It's very appealing. When you sit over here, it's very relaxing. A beautiful music is being played here. I have just muted it. You can see the uniform of the staff over here. They are wearing that black uniform with a cap, red cap. So that's the uniform of the server, the waiters actually. You can see this lighting and everything. It's pretty well designed, as I said earlier. It's very nice. So here is my friend Mr. Sean. He is placing the order. Let the order come. I will show you what we have ordered. So here is my friend Mr. Muthu. So the order has been placed right now. Let it come. I will show you. So we are just waiting for our order to come. Here comes our thali. It's North Indian thali. As you can see, it's full of dishes, rice, chapati, and variety of dishes are over there, including sweets. I will tell you, I will show you it one by one. So it's a full treat. You can have a good experience over here. I literally enjoyed this. The food is just awesome. And the cost of this North Indian thali is 19 Riyal only. 19 Riyal is around 400 Indian rupees. And this is the South Indian thali. This video I took when I came second time here. You can see variety of food items. Rasam, sambar, 2 types of fish curry with sweets, sweet dish, rice, papad, banana is there, chutney is there. So here you can see the chapatis, and there are 3 different kind of rice been provided. The first one you can see, it's the white jeera rice. The second one is egg fried rice, and the third one is biryani rice. So these 3 different kinds of rice are being provided in this thali, and along with that there are number of curry and sweets are available. So one by one I will explain you about it. The first one is tandoori chicken. 1 piece is there. Then 1 curry is there. Sweet is there. Bundi sweets. Then pickle. Curd is there. Then ladies finger fry. Karari bhindi ki sabzi is there. Then paneer is there. Then dal, 1 chicken curry and tandoori fry. Thali is actually unlimited. Chapati and the tandoori chicken will not be repeated. Rest everything is unlimited. My friend Mr. Sean, he will tell you.
So what I have done today, I have mixed all the 3 types of rice together. along with the dal. Trying something different. So let's taste it. Good. The taste of the dal is good. Like it. Chicken. Oh, actually it's tandoori, not chicken fry.
Tandoori, huh?
Chicken tandoori.
And here is my friend Mr. Muthu once again enjoying the same meal.
Same, the gravy is same as my mom cooks at home. So that means it's assurance served home food. It's like home.
The thali, North Indian thali. These are the rotis available. You can see different kinds of rice, biryani rice, normal ghee rice. So now I am going to taste it. Roti, you can see, very soft. This bhindi fry, Karari bhindi. Just taste this. This is real tasty. Very nice. The food quality, the quantity even, very nice. You can see different varieties are there. If you look, different varieties are there. Chicken fry, they will give you a chicken fry. Even one chicken curry will be there. मैं zoom कर लूँगा तो वहीं बात. You can see additional dal is there. Paneer is there. Paneer curry is there. Then Karnataka bhindi, as I told. Third, pickle, lemon pickle. Sweets, laddu, bundi. This rice and rotis. So it's the entire package of North Indian thali. That's it. So if you come to Zaitun, so this I should recommend that you should go for North Indian thali. It's very nice, delicious,
So we enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching. This is the outer area outside where we can sit and relax, have tea. So overall experience at this particular restaurant was very nice. This is a counter where outside whereby gupchup, snacks, things are being provided. Thanks for watching. Thank you.